What if I told you I found a simple strategy that can help you make quick profits on OlympTrade using just candlestick patterns and these two indicators?
Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about trading on OlympTrade using candlestick patterns, the simple moving average, or SMA, and the stochastic indicator. So, let's get into it. Let's be real for a second. Trading can be tough, especially when you're trying to make quick trades in a highly volatile market. Timing is everything, and missing a single second can cost you dearly. Understanding how to leverage the right tools can make a world of difference. First off, the SMA helps smooth out price data to identify trends over a specific period. For 1-minute trading, a short-term SMA like a 5 or 10 period can be super helpful. In this case, we would be making use of 10 period. When the price is above the SMA, it's generally a bullish signal, while a price below could indicate a bearish trend. On the other hand, the stochastic indicator measures momentum by comparing a particular closing price to a range of prices over a certain period. In this case, we would be using the default values. It gives us two lines, the %K line and the %D line. When these lines cross, it can signal potential buy or sell opportunities. For example, if the %K line crosses above the %D line in an oversold region, it could be a good time to buy. Combining these tools with candlestick patterns can really sharpen your trading strategy. For instance, if you spot a bullish engulfing pattern while the price is above the SMA and the stochastic indicator is crossing up, that's a solid signal to enter a trade. Let's take a look at a live trading demonstration. When the market is trending and price gets to an oversold or overbought area, price usually makes a rebound to the moving average line before a continuation. The trades ended up being profitable. To avoid losses, stay away from markets ranging on the SMA or impulsive moves. Have you tried using these indicators before? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're looking for more advanced trading strategies, don't forget to check out our next video. Until next time, happy trading!